paper is Same Flirting, Different Meaning, a study of casual and serious dating relationships. And we started this project last spring, and we've written it, and then we submitted it to the National Communication Association under student submissions through Lambda Pi Eta. And in November, we are going to Chicago to present our paper.
I think our topic just came around the point of our lives that we all were in relationships or not in relationships, and we were just talking about it, and we really felt like we wanted to study this more. And so we originally wanted to study what a committed Christian relationship would look like and what a non-committed relationship would look like, and how the flirting would change, and like if there's difference in the committed one or not committed one. But we found that it was just too hard of a topic. There was not enough research. So we kind of changed it a little bit, and we just studied serious and casual relationships and the flirting in between those.
In a nutshell, we decided to write a research paper focusing on flirting, specifically in two types of relationships, casual and serious. And we looked at the meanings behind the types of flirting, and we found that people use the same behaviors, but they have different meanings.
The process of gathering data for our research paper really involved we used a survey from Hedingson, and we replicated it, and we kind of changed it a little bit from other professors and other studies. And from there, we just handed out in different classes. Most of them were communications, ranging from 101 to all the way to the 400s. And we just gathered as much data as possible from this survey. And in the survey, they had the type of flirting, like the type of touch flirting, like either a hug or a handshake or the hand on the thigh. And then we asked the participant to either say it was like fun, or it was relational, or sexual, it was exploring, the different kinds of meanings. So we took the flirting and the meaning, and we processed all of this data to kind of figure out what a casual and what a serious relationship looks like.
I definitely think that the faculty at Eastern has broadened my wanting to learn more and branch out in my education. Specifically, our advisor, Julie Morgan, she definitely helped encourage us to continue our studies. So just having someone reach out and wanting to spend their time, their own personal time, helping us learn a little bit more, I think that definitely was very encouraging in just broadening my education.
The Communication Studies department is absolutely amazing. The professors are extremely supportive. We would have never thought about even submitting our paper to the National Communication Association if it weren't for Dr. Julie Morgan. She picked us out in research methods and said, I want you to continue this research. So in the fall we continued, and she encouraged us throughout the whole way, and other professors would encourage us. They'd talk about it in class. They allowed us to hand out our questionnaires in classes, and when we finally got accepted, it was like this big celebration, and all of the professors were congratulating us. They made posters, put them around campus, so everybody was just really supportive, and that was great.
At the beginning of the research project, we were all in research methods and kind of got lumped together in a group, and a couple of us were friends, and then we became really good friends through the whole process and learned that we all had different strengths when it came to writing papers and research and stuff. And some people were amazing at putting ideas together, other people were better at writing. Kelsey was amazing at organization, which we really needed because some of us were terrible at it. And so we all split the responsibilities pretty evenly, I think, and brought out the best in each other, and learned how to work in a group together through this whole process. And we've all had bad group experiences before, so this was amazing, and we gelled really well, and we turned out a pretty good paper. So we're proud of it, and it was a good experience.